You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from French, meaning Idyll or idol. I know in English it can be pronounced two different ways. That's the name of a perfume by Julien. If you want to learn more useful French and names of famous brands, make sure to stay tuned. Idylle is how it's said in French in France. Idylle. Idylle. Idylle, meaning idol or idol. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.